Well, here's two videos here from today's dash cam. Driving in the rain around Charlotte, North Carolina. The first one, a little four-wheeler decided it needed to be in the far left turn lanes and stops in the middle of two lanes. A complete stop. And in the second clip, after I dropped and hooked, I was headed back to the plant. This car was so important, had to go between two lanes to get around me. It didn't run the stoplight in the grass. Watch the videos. Tell me what you think. Leave comments below. Thank you for watching.
With 10 laps to go, you look at the...
This right here car decides to go into the left turn lane, but stops in the middle lane and in the half in the left lane at a dead stop in the rain. My truck brakes slammed on. I had to move over to the right lane. Luckily, no one was in. My lane is this one. I had to go to 485 inner loop. But this car was more important. Had to come to a complete stop in the middle of the road. People, learn how to drive. Luckily, they didn't get killed either. And right here, as you can see, this is slow motion. And the car just decides, oh crap, my turn's at the left lane. And comes to a complete stop between two lanes. Not the turn lane. And I had to move over to the other lane not to hit it. This person. And they stayed right that spot as far as I could see when I got off to go towards Huntersville. Ugh. This is US 74 east of Charlotte. I'm going west into Charlotte. Watch what this car does here in about a couple seconds. He's in a hurry. As you can see, it's raining. Stop and go traffic for all the traffic lights. This is October 28, 2021 at 5:44. Look at that car right there. He's in such a rush. He had to, and wait till we get up here to this traffic light and see what this idiot does next. Traffic light. Oh, we got a red light. Look what he does. On a red light. Oh, I ain't got time to wait. I gotta go. What a dip. Yep. Thank you for watching.